So, cubers, we have the Fisher cube, and basically this is a 3x3, except as you can see it turns, yeah, like this. So this is your right side, this is your centre here, and this is your left side. Okay, it's a bit skewed. We'll just get a mix on this. So what we'll do is start trying to get the white cross, and here you can see we've got a white, red and blue, and it's above this red and blue centre here. But quite clearly we're going to have to move this away, and we have to flip this centre here, yeah, because that's another little thing, and then bring that red and blue back, so that, yeah, this red and blue matches, yeah, and that's that piece there. So, like, you know, these really on the 3x3 would be the edges, but they've got two colours on, so make it a bit more confusing. So we'll move around then, and you can see check the next centre, which is orange and blue. So of course these blues should be matching, yeah, for starters, and then we've got to find the white, blue and orange. So, and here it is here. So literally take that, easy thing to do is just take it to the bottom and bring it around. Now as you can see it's not orientated correctly. If you take that up, yeah, it's sticking up there, yeah, okay. So we're just gonna have to take it to the side and bring it down. Okay, you should find it quite easy to manipulate. And a thing to do as well is, as you manipulate this around the bottom. This here, these two blues don't want to match. We want to want it to be opposite, so that orange is facing that blue. Yeah. So as you bring this in, the white in upside down, and then as you flip it, so the white goes to where you want it, then your blue and orange is in the correct orientation. So in order to come to the next one, which is green and orange, yeah, okay, so your green and orange here, so we're looking for the white, green and orange. Here it is. We'll bring it around, and again, yeah, we need to flip this, so we move that white piece to the side and flip this centre. There you go. Bring in, whoop, yeah, it's a bit of a lively cube, this one, and swizzle your white to the top. Right, okay, so we've got one more, which is going to be the red and green white. Here it is over here. Okay, so again we're going to move these, so we're going to take it to the bottom and just move it out of the way. Once moved out of the way, we can put this white back where it was. Yeah, there it is. It's actually there. It's actually in position. Yeah, and lined up with this green and red. So we turn it around, and that's up. And the great thing is we've got the white cross there. More importantly as well, yeah, it's green and orange is matching, green and red's matching, red and blue's matching, orange and blue's matching. Okay, so now we've got to fit these pieces in, but clearly this one is incorrect, this white one, and this one is incorrect, in the incorrect position. So we try and find a white with a colour on, and there's white and orange, so we move it underneath where we want it to go. Okay, so we bring this is the space, yeah, bring the space down, move in, put it up. Yeah, it's not correct, so we just do that. The move we know, which from the 3x3, yeah, if you have the white on top, you could do right inverse, down inverse, right, down, and just keep doing that. Yeah, right inverse, down inverse, right, and there it is, in. So you can do it like that. We do two like this, and then we flip it upside down to do the other way. These are white and green, so we find the green. Let's try and find the green bit. Okay, so we want it to go in there, yeah. So we move it, just move it away where we want it to be. Bring the space down, yeah, right inverse, down inverse, right, down, just keep doing that, yeah. There we are, in. So we got orange and greens in. Now, we've got to find the other ones, and here's a white and red. So here's the red. What we could do is what a lot of people like to do. They like to do what's called the sexy move. So the white and red's above where it needs to be, and then you just do right, upper, right inverse, upper, right, upper, right inverse, up, inverse, right, upper, right inverse, upper inverse, and there it is in. Yeah. So where's the other white? There's the other white and blue. Put it above the place where it needs to be. If you wish to do the sexy move, which is right, upper, right inverse, upper inverse, yeah, upper, right inverse, upper inverse. Completely up to you which way you do this, and there we go, in. So now we've got all the whites. That bottom layer is done. Now, there's nothing at the moment any different now to the 3x3. So I've got an orange here, it wants to go in here, so I like to bring it to the left, yes, above the corners, and do the move, yeah, right, sorry, so you do it, upper, right, up reverse, right inverse, up inverse, front inverse, upper, front, and that's it in, yeah. Or another way, well, what else have we got? Looking for another flat piece, and there's a blue there, so move that around until we find the blue. There's the blue, move it to the left, and you can do upper, right, upper inverse, right inverse, and then you could turn it to the right and do upper inverse, left inverse, upper, left. Okay, so that's in. Okay guys, I just done this top edge again because when I was doing the solve, it pretty much solved itself, which is not great for a tutorial. So we've done the two first layers, and we're going to try and do the top layer. So we'll do the usual move to try and get your cross. So we're going to do so we're going to do front, right, upper, right inverse, upper inverse, front inverse. Okay, yep, got your L. So let's go again. Put the L at the top left, front, right, upper, right inverse, upper inverse, front inverse. Yep, got your line. Great, it's all going to plan. So front, right, upper, right inverse, upper inverse, front inverse, and we've got the cross. And the way we're going to do this is, what I'm looking for is to have two of these correct. So it's orange and blue. Just try and move that out to the orange and blues. And red and greens, no. So we move that again. So we've got red and green here. Right, yeah, this is what we're looking for. This would be your two edge pieces on your 3x3 Rubik Cube, yeah. So we put the correct one at the back and the correct one at the right. These two are incorrect, and we're going to do the soon move. Okay, so we're going to do right, upper, right inverse, upper, right, upper, upper, right inverse. Okay, so yeah, we're going to move that down to the blue and orange. We're going to find that these corners or edges, whatever you want to call them, are all correct now. Yeah, so all we've now got to deal with is these edges here. Okay, and we're going to look around. That's incorrect, that's incorrect, that's incorrect, so they're all not in the right place. So we're going to do a move, and hopefully one of these will pop in. So what we're going to do is do upper, right away, upper inverse, left away, upper, right back, upper inverse, left back. Right, well, this is correct now, you see, this because this is yellow, it's not orientated correctly, but it's in the correct position, it's in the correct place, yeah. And this one's incorrect, this is incorrect, and this is incorrect, yeah. So what we do is we hold the correct one on the bottom right, and what we're going to do is switch these three around, move them around, and we're going to move them around by doing that same move again, yeah, which is upper, right away, upper inverse, left away, upper, bring the right back, upper inverse, bring the left back, yeah. So that's still where it was, where we left it. The blues are now in the correct place, these have all orientated, and this orange is in the correct place, and this green's in the correct place, yeah. None of them are orientated correctly, that's fine. And if these weren't in the correct place, then you just have to do that move one more time and they'd all be in the right place. Okay, so now we're going to do a move that every piece now is in the correct place, these just need orientating. Okay, and we're going to do the move that we pretty much started off with, which is the right inverse, right down. Okay, and you've got to pick a side, whichever you want. Pick this one because it's nice and bright, orange and blue, and this is going to be the front. And we're going to fix this, put this in the correct place, in the correct orientation, and then we'll then bring the next corner in, and the next corner in, and the next corner in. So we don't move it. When it's a 4-piece move, so even when we bring this yellow up, we're going to have to bring the down back every time. So the move will be right inverse, down inverse, right, down. Okay, right inverse, down inverse, right, down. Carry on doing that move until that yellow pops in at the top, yeah. And here it comes, yeah, that green, yellow's coming up, so right, down. So you've got to remember to bring this down back, yeah, because we're messing all this up, and it's important to do the 4-piece move. So that's in, so we then bring the next corner in, yeah. Doesn't matter which one we bring in next, we do this one next, yeah. Right inverse, down inverse, right, down. Just carry on doing that, yeah, right inverse, down inverse, right, down, yeah, bring the next corner in, yeah, right inverse, down inverse, right, down, yeah, very repetitive, just carry that on, right, yeah, but do not forget to bring this down back as the last move, yeah, we've got one more corner to bring in, one more corner, bring it in, yeah, you can see all this mess here, yeah, right inverse, right, down, right inverse, down inverse, right, down, inverse, right, down. I'm sure this is going to work. Hopefully it's going to work. And look at that, down, yeah. Turn this one more, the top piece. Ooh, bit unstable this cube, but there we go. Fantastic, eh? No parities. Perfect. Thank you. Okay guys, I thought I'd also show you if you wanted to do the referee move and all that, okay? So we've done the first 2 layers, and we're going to do the move to get the yellow cross, okay? So front, right, upper, right inverse, upper inverse, front inverse. Okay, great. We've got a line, yeah, front, right, upper, right inverse, upper inverse, front inverse. Yes, so we've got the cross. We've also got the fish, which is brilliant. So now we can do the soon move, yeah. So up, along, down, along, up, along, down. Great, yes, we've got our yellow face, yeah, as you know from the 3x3. Okay, we seem to be jumping a few stages all the time here. So yeah, normally you'd look around, and so we've got two edges here that are done and 2 aren't done, so we're going to do the referee move, yeah, to get these 2 in, yeah, because this would be like the corners on a 3x3. Okay, so we've got 2 in, 2 not in, so we're going to do, yeah, right, front, right, back, right, front, right, back, yeah, double right again, and then yeah, now let's just move that orange around, and we know this would be the corners, but these look like edges, but they are actually corners. Okay, so now, and we've got one of these in, one of these corners in, and we've got these 3 out. So this is now like your castling move on a 3x3. But what you're going to notice is if I put it in, so this is red and green. So if I move this to the red and green, it's going to switch this. So I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is a little tip. I'm going to move it to this side, okay? Because if we move that there, this is going to switch. We're then going to have to do this move another 3 times. But the move, of course, is front, move it to the right, left down, right down, double front, lift up, right up, double front, or double, so upper. Okay, but as I told you, this is flipped, yeah? So if we'd have put that in, all these would be in, and the only thing out would be this piece here, this little corner piece. You'd be stuck with one little piece out, but I've switched it over here now, you see? So now, I'm going to move this orange and blue over here, yeah? Where it needs to go. Okay, so now, let's do that, yeah? Front, up, right, left, front, right, left, upper, front. There you go. So by not putting this in the correct place, we only had to do that move twice, because we knew that was going to flip. And if we'd moved it in the correct place, it'd have flipped, and we'd have had to do the move. Because these would have kept rotating, we'd have had to do this another 3 times. So by putting it in the wrong position, you only have to do it twice. So that's another way. Up to you, do the referee move or do the other way I finished it off. Anyway, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next time.